Hi, this is Nilesh Nambare. I'm looking after the channel business of Premier Energies from Maharashtra region. And talking about the company, we are the 30-year-old company. And right now we have 2 gigawatt of cell manufacturing capacity, which is operational in Hyderabad, and 4.13 gigawatt model manufacturing capacity, which is operational at Hyderabad, and 5 gigawatt of cell line is under construction for TopCon, and 4 gigawatt of cell line for TopCon, poly line is for TopCon is under construction in Hyderabad itself. And talking about this Expo, we have a great experience over here. Yesterday there was a lot of crowd over here, and the interaction between the clients and us is very good and very fruitful. We have got many leads from here, and whatever the Expo management has done this year, they have done a great job as compared to the last year, and we are happy with this thing. And even today we are expecting the good crowd as since in the morning, since today is Saturday, a lot of people will come, and hope we will get a good business from here itself.